Hi everyone, Nelly here from Zappos.com. This is Rain Down 2 from Kenneth Cole Reaction. Here we have a textured man-made upper that features a beautiful decorative strap over the vamp to give it an elegant look. They offer an easy slip-on style. Inside, there's man-made lining with a lightly padded footbed that will provide comfort and support. They feature a low stacked heel, and it's all on a man-made outsole. Add a bit of extra bling bling to your look with this beautiful pair from Kenneth Cole Reaction.